In this video, I am going to tell you how to change the green background in Vita video editor. So first of all, you need to install Vita. You can go to Play Store and you can simply look for Vita and you can install it and open it. And after opening it, you need to click on new project at the top and you need to select your video in which green background is showing. So you can see green background is showing in this video. The green background should be the plain green background. So after that you need to click on edit button at the bottom. You can see edit button. Just tap on edit button and after that you need to scroll a little bit and you need to look for chroma key. You can see chroma key is option is showing. Just tap on this and after that you need to pick this pencil and move it around and you can see it is not shown properly. So after that I'll just click on 30 and you can also click on this 10. You can select any one of them and you can just increase or decrease the level and see which one is suiting you. You can increase and decrease the level and you can see this is looking fine and you can also play it and see whether it is showing fine or not. And after that what you need to do, you need to click on BG option, BG background option, and herein you can see you can blur the background or you can change any of the background. Like you can choose an image as well. You can there are so many default images also there which you can choose like this. You can change the background like this or you can see that. So some templates are as always also provided in this which you can check out. There's so many templates are provided. You can see background is now changed. You can change the background according to your need. So you can change the background, you can change the blur, you can look for any other option. You can see in BG there are so many options. You can even click on images and there are so many images are already there. Nature, nature's texture, shadow, so many patterns are showing. Halloween images are showing. Some are free, some are paid. So you can choose any one of them according to your need, or you can install any image as well. For example, you can select an image and you can install an image from your system and you can upload that image as well. And that is very easy. You can click on import option at top, you click on plus and you can install any image from your system. For example, let me select this image. So you can change this background and you can simply export it. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. You can also change the background like this. So you can increase or decrease the size of this cat. You just need to use a finger and make it larger or smaller. Let's play the cat now. You can see now it is in office. So I hope friends now you will be able to change the background of your image with the help of green screen. So if you like this video, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.